Let me ask you something honestly. When was the last time you ate and actually felt better afterward? Not full, not distracted, not just satisfied, but genuinely lighter. If you have to think about it, you're not alone. Most people today don't feel energized after eating. They feel heavier, slower, foggier. And they assume it's age, stress, or genetics. But what if it's none of those? What if the food you trust the most is quietly working against you? In the modern era, detox dose and tea mean extreme cleanses or starving your body. It means supporting the systems that already do the detoxing for you. Your liver, gut, kidneys, and lymphatic system work around the clock. But ultra-processed foods, constant stress, poor sleep, and chemical overload make their job harder than it should be. The gut sits at the center of this system. When it's inflamed or imbalanced, toxins circulate longer, nutrients absorb poorly, and fatigue becomes constant. True detox today is about reducing the daily load, eating real, whole foods, restoring gut bacteria, staying hydrated, sleeping deeply, and giving your nervous system space to calm down. When the gut is supported, the body doesn't need cleanses. It simply returns to balance. The illusion of healthy food we've been trained to trust packaging. Words like high protein, low fat, plant-based, gut-friendly, they sound safe, responsible, smart. But here's the truth most labels won't tell you. Your gut doesn't read nutrition labels. It reacts to ingredients. And many of the foods marketed as healthy today contain things your digestive system was never designed to handle regularly. Things like artificial sweeteners that confuse gut bacteria, emulsifiers that weaken the gut lining, synthetic fibers that ferment to fast preservatives that disrupt digestion timing. These ingredients don't harm you instantly. They quietly interfere day after day. That's why the symptoms feel vague. Bloating that comes and goes. Random fatigue, brain fog after meals, needing coffee just to feel normal. Your body is speaking softly before it starts screaming. Think of your gut like a garden. When the soil is healthy, everything grows easily. When it's damaged, even good seeds struggle. Ultra-processed healthy foods act like chemical weeds, Reduce diversity of good bacteria, increase gut inflammation, slow digestion. Disrupt communication between your gut and brain, and here's something most people don't realize. Over 90% of serotonin, the feel-good chemical, is produced in your gut. So when your digestion is off, your mood follows. That's why gut issues often look like low motivation, anxiety, irritability, poor focus. It's not weakness. It's biology. Here's a truth that changes everything. You don't recharge when you sleep. You recharge when your body feels safe enough to repair. If your gut is inflamed, your nervous system stays slightly on edge. Oh no. That means your body never fully enters deep recovery mode. So even after 7 or 8 hours of sleep, you wake up feeling like nothing happened. This is why caffeine becomes a crutch. This is why energy crashes by afternoon. This is why motivation feels forced. It's not discipline you're missing, it's balance. Here's where things get hopeful. You don't need to cleanse. You don't need to cut everything out. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to reduce friction inside your body. Start here. 1. Eat slower than your phone scrolls. Your digestion begins in your nervous system. If you eat rushed, your body stays in survival mode. 2. Drink water before caffeine. This alone improves digestion, energy, and focus more than most supplements. 3. Choose foods with fewer decisions. If the ingredient list looks like a chemistry test, skip it. 4. Don't restrict, add real food first. Let the body rebalance naturally. These changes don't shock your system, they support it. Your body doesn't want perfection. It wants consistency. Repeated signals of safety tell your nervous system. It's okay to relax. It's okay to digest. It's okay to heal. That's when energy returns. That's when cravings fade. That's when clarity comes back. Not through force, but through trust. If you've been blaming yourself, if you've been frustrated with your body, if you feel like you're doing everything right but still feel off, please hear this. You are not broken. You are not lazy. And you are not failing. Your body has just been speaking a language no one taught you to understand. And once you do, everything changes. Healing doesn't start with restriction. It starts with awareness. And sometimes, the smallest shift, what you eat, how you listen, creates the biggest change. Your body isn't against you. It's waiting for you to listen.